Coyote? Woo! I'm kind of thinking about it for Tar Heel Fox.
I keep losing. But you don't need sand in your floorboard.
Is it Foxtoberfest is only foxes.
Wow, guys. Wow. An original 93 Cobra R, 7 actual miles. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we have reached the final day of Mustang Week, guys. We actually have the official car show. I am here at the Fox Mustang Restoration booth. You see we got Fox Resto out here in full force. Lots of people getting shirts, parts for their cars. Tar Heel Fox is right over there, along with Tiffany. Tiffany, there she goes. She's got the car all cleaned up for about the 100th time down here, but it looks like today we have good weather. The RTR booth. There's a lot of Mustangs here. There's no way that I'm gonna be able to show you all of them, but I'm going to try and show you most of the Fox bodies. Uh-oh.
Celebrity siding lick.
Yellow Fox body guy again. This is too many shout outs for you, buddy. But yeah, this is my first time at Mustang Week, guys, like I've said before. So this is my first time seeing the car show. Now over here, we just have general parking apparently, although there's a ton of Mustangs. But if you see way over there, that is the actual car show. We also have way over there, more of the car show. And then inside are some really, really nice ones. See which ones are my favorite, which of course is gonna be Fox bodies. And yeah, come along for the ride. So let's go do it. Guys, this is my buddy Thomas's car. He was actually on the channel before. He had an 85 on the channel. Look, he's got his new T-top right here. T-top Thomas. He talked about this on the other video, and we're going to try and do a full review on it. But that will not be in this video. That will be in another one. So stay tuned for that. But Thomas, I'm so glad you have this car back. Coyote, woo! Guys about Mustang Week is obviously there's a lot of the newer Mustangs, but I'm looking more for Fox buddies, but I also do appreciate the classics. The classics as well. You don't see a lot of them. They're really cool. If people take pictures in front of them, it makes a lot of sense. What do you guys think about the classics? Let me know down in the comments below. Back there is my buddy Brent, Picks House Videos. You can see Mad Maxine is drawing a crowd as she always does. But definitely check him out if you are not already. You probably know because I always shout him out on the channel, but love Brent, love everything he does. All right, guys, if I was gonna pick a favorite, so far, this one is winning. And you probably know why. It's basically a lot like my car. You know, I love that streamlined look, but it does have a different hood. It has a Cervini's hood on it. I haven't really seen this one before. I kind of like it. It's a little more subtle. I'm kind of thinking about it for Tar Heel Fox. What do you guys think about that for Tar Heel Fox? Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, I found one of the judges out here. This is actually a judge show. I'm with Mitch here. And how you doing, Mitch? Welcome to the channel.
I'm excellent.
But yeah, could you tell us a little bit about what sort of you guys are looking for, those type of things?
So here at Mustang Week, we're open to all types of Mustangs, no matter if you've got an EcoBoost or a Shelby. What we primarily judge for is cleanliness here. So we take a look at all of the modifications and everything done to them and try to envision as if Ford produced all of these vehicles. So that way we can kind of decide if Ford was making the right choice there or not. But again, it's not about the overall tastefulness because everyone has different tastes.
Right.
It's about how clean the car is, how presentable it is. So if you went to the beach this week, which we're at the beach, that's great, but you don't need sand in your floorboards when you bring it out to a judge show.
So that's kind of cool though. It kind of levels the playing field a little bit, right?
Yep. So what we're judging on is anything we have access to. So if the owners are near their cars, they can open them up. Because like one of the things we're looking at is door jams. Those things get dirty. People don't think about it. The doors are closed. I can't give you any points on it, whether they're clean or dirty. So you're going to get a 0. Convertible tops, we're not judging those. And then all your snacks and cleaning materials, you can keep in the trunk because that's not judged either.
Very cool. Very cool. And are there different class winners or?
So there's like a whole bunch of different classes.
Yeah.
We as judges don't put the cars in classes. The type of car, the year it was made, and the trim puts it in those specific classes.
Okay.
So there's, 5 different Cobra classes for all the years that those were made, Shelby only classes, and then of course, best in show about everything.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Well, guys, I didn't know a lot of that, so I'm glad that Mitch could tell us about it. Yeah, thanks for sharing it with the channel, Mitch. Appreciate you.
No problem. Have a good one.
Yep. All right, I finally reached the end of one part of the show. You can see, this is just one half. We made it down one entire half. But I did find what I believe to be the best Fox body area so far. Several Foxes up this road. Going to show that to you guys, of course. And I hope you are enjoying more of the Foxes. I don't have too many of the other cars. This is a Fox body channel. Fox body content is what we do. And so I'm trying to highlight that. But man, guys, this is massive. If you like Mustangs and you've never been to Mustang Week, you definitely need to come out. Crazy, guys. Like I said, we just finished the other side. Still have to do that side. This might be a long video, but in the meantime, I stopped back by the Fox Resto booth. I found Jen, one of the co-owners here. Jen, welcome back to the channel.
Hi, thank you.
Love the Fox Body Cruise shirt.
Yes, that's tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah, and actually what's cool about that is I think Tar Heel Fox is going to be leading the cruise,
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
Yeah, to fit all of us in there, me, you, and Tiff and Matt. We're gonna let Matt drive because I take up a lot of real estate.
He's got work to do with the YouTubes.
Yeah, exactly. So it works out. But I did want to do a quick shout out because people might be, enjoying all the Fox bodies here and other Mustangs, but we have a show coming up, right?
We do. It is called Foxtoberfest, and the difference between Foxtoberfest and every other Mustang show, including Mustang Week, is that Foxtoberfest is only Foxes. That is the only thing we allow in the show, and we have almost 500 Foxes in the show with the most we had. I think that was 2017, and it is a whole different vibe if you are in a place where you know that everyone is excited about Foxes in the same way that you are.
Yeah, and you know what else is cool? I found out today, they don't let Capris in here. If you have a Mercury Capri, you can't get in the show.
That's true.
If you have a Zephyr, if you have LTD, is that one of those? Yeah. You can get into your show with those.
That's true, yeah.
They're Foxes.
Yeah, 78 to 93, sits on a Fox chassis, bring it, regardless of the condition that it's in, regardless of the restoration stage, it doesn't matter. We love your Fox, bring it to Foxtoberfest.
We are gonna have one giveaway, so we have one spot left no matter what for that.
Yeah.
Details on that coming soon.
Yeah.
So, cool, all right, thanks a lot, Jen.
Yeah, thank you.
Taking a little break here because Tiff, we need some food.
Yes.
I'm tired. It's been a long Mustang week, but this is, what is today? Friday. It's Friday.
I keep losing track.
Right? We came here on Tuesday, right?
No, Monday night.
Oh, right. Monday night. So you got, and food has been one of the most difficult things. So anyway, here's the food line we're in right now. And apparently this is a shorter one. It's worse in size, we've been told.
That's what I've been told.
Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna get some food, but don't worry, more Fox Body content for you, just like this. It has been crazy for me. Like I said, I was trying to get the other side, but I could not. I only got the first side that you saw, and then I had to eat, and people like swarmed the car, and it was just the whole thing. But need to take you guys inside, because inside here in the Myrtle Beach Convention Center, which you can see where Mustang Week is occurring, really nice, beautiful cars. Let's go inside, take a look. I know that you guys are gonna like these. Wow, guys, wow. That's all I gotta say about this car is wow. I mean, you saw, we got the mirrors underneath. Everything apparently on this is all new from what I heard. He built it at his shop. I think the shop's name is Bipolar. Great name, by the way, but sick build. I'm sure this is gonna be on the Foxcast Media channel. See right up here if you wanna see more info on it. I bet that it's gonna be on there, but seriously sweet car. Apparently we have an original 93 Cobra R, all original, that has 7 actual miles. 7. Can't believe it. Look, it's still in the shrink wrap. Got a replica right there of the car. That's kind of cool. Of course, these were all race cars. You could not buy them unless you were a racer at the time. So they were meant to be driven, meant to go to the track, but 7 actual miles. And I've got Jen here with me too. Jen, this one has less miles than your GT350.
That's true. Yeah. I mean, it's in a little bit better condition.
Just a little bit, If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. Yeah. But that's kind of wild. But unfortunately, it wasn't driven very much. But you have one at Foxtoberfest that is coming, right?
Yeah, we have one at Foxtoberfest that was actually raced back in the 90s. So that's super cool. That because to me, the fun of a Fox Body is to actually drive it. So I love the idea that someone took one of these, and they were made to be raced. That was the whole reason they made them. So to take these cars out and for them to do what they were supposed to do, what they were made to do, I love that.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's what we do here on the channel. I drove Target Fox here. We love that.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this is obviously very clean, but it's cool that one's coming to the show.
Yeah.
So come to Foxtoberfest and check it out. And who knows, maybe we might have a video on that on the channel. Stay tuned. There's another, just to casually, another Cobra here, 93 Cobra. But what you may not know, this color here, vibrant red, that is exactly what I was gonna paint Tar Heel Fox, because it was a Cobra clone, right? It was a GT, but if you look, I've got the same kind of side skirts. I've got the wheels. I've got even the tail lights. Even the tail lights I got, right? I've got the gray tail lights and all that. But I was gonna paint it this color because I wanted a Cobra clone. And Tiffany was the one that said, what about Tar Heel Blue? Because you love the Tar Heels. I'm like, duh, that's the best idea ever. So if you ever wondered why Tar Heel Fox was painted that color, that's why. Nice Mustang there, Jen.
Yeah.
Mustang week. All right, guys, what a day. What a long video probably, but Mustang week show day is over. However, there is one more day. There is Saturday. You can see the Fox Resto tents being all put up. Tiff's getting the car all ready for me, loading stuff up. And we almost sold out of shirts. We literally have, what do we have left, Tiff?
2 smalls.
2 smalls. We sold everything else. So shirts are gone. I need to do a reprint or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Paris Lou, he's supposed to set me up with a new shirt. So we'll see if that happens. If it does, I'll have those at FOXtoberfest. But in the meantime, all the shirts, they're gone, which I guess that's a good thing. So anyway, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Mustang week has just been awesome. And for me, I have 1 day left. And for you guys, I don't know how many videos, because I don't know what order I'm putting these in up. All I know is I did a lot. Also, stay tuned to the channel, SSP. Definitely some content coming there in a little while after the Mustang week videos. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. We got some guys for the bloopers. What's up? What's going on, guys? How you doing? You're on the channel. This is the blooper section. Bloopers!
In the morning, buddy. Cameraman said he's gonna pick on you.
Bigfoot
747 right here in the flesh.
Bigfoot 747. Willie, you're going in the bloopers this time because there's gonna be too many videos in a row. And then we got this guy walking around. What's up, man? Hey, I like those shoes.
Bro, yeah.
Can we get those in my size?
Foxcast red. I don't know.
Probably not.
No, probably not.
Yeah. Anthony's just saying hi. How's it going on the channel? Thanks for watching, appreciate it. I've met a lot of subscribers out here and I really appreciate you guys all watching the channel. But the best part is when I get to meet you in person. So appreciate it, buddy.